Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Today is another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Today's video is part of a collab with my dear friend, Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. And her channel, she hosts the Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. It's an open collab of just tackling an area, something small, something that, that needs a tidy. Today, my friends, I want to tackle that. So, this is actually my jewelry box, but because we've been traveling, it is just overflowed, not with only my stuff, but look, it's like in a ball. Let me adjust it. Look, it's like in a ball. This is a necklace, and it has earrings in here. You know, I used to have a taller jewelry box, but I got rid of that one. And I like long earrings like this, and it's just really hard for me to know what I have. And I was thinking about getting like different types of jewelry holders for earrings, and I don't have that many necklaces only because I don't really wear necklace. If I have a necklace, it's because it's been gifted. And, yeah, so, like this is crazy. I mean, it's gotten really out of hand. My mom gifted me this, and it's magnetic that she had found, and you can wear this, like, all different ways. And she thought it was the best. And yeah, and what it likes to do, look, there's a safety pin. So anyways, we've been traveling a lot, and so I even have my mom's jewelry in here, and that doesn't belong up here with mine, so I need to take hers down, although that necklace is actually mine, but that's okay. So what I need to do is I need to go through this and organize it. But I knew that my jewelry is getting way overflowed. And look at that. I even bought these earrings for the hoping that I would be filming a Vlogtober this year, but I just didn't have the time to do Vlogtober. So, hoop earrings. I got all kinds of things. Here's another one. This is so terrible. Oh my gosh, Dee. This is one of the necklaces I love to wear. Is this one here. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't get tangled up. If you guys haven't seen that one video of this here I was wearing for a headshot, and I believe headshot went wrong as a title of that video. If you guys want a good laugh, go watch that video. I'll post it like somewhere right here. It is so funny. True story. I always say I need to have a body camera, but I really need to go through this. I really need to take out and see what I have. And I just recently got these Sunday Dawn. If you haven't seen the unboxing of Sunday Dawn, the Helpful Home, she has an Etsy shop. Go check out her stuff on her Etsy shop. She has beautiful jewelry. I absolutely had to wear these the day that it came in. But I did an unboxing on my live. So before I even put these in the black hole kind of jewelry, what I want to do is I want to make sure it goes to a nice home and it's stored safely and not like this. I know. No judgment. no judgment. So I think the best thing for me to do is take everything out and lay it on the counter. Alright, I separated everything, and these are mostly all of my earrings, and also I still have this big old piece right here to go through. That's going to take me some time, but I will get to those for sure. Just wanted to kind of give you an idea of mostly my earrings there. Earring backings and all that in there. And then I have some of my bracelets in here. And then, of course, some of those right there. Majority of my rings. But now that I know what I have, I'm going to now store them. Ta-da! Now, this is what I found on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But it is, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 5-drawer jewelry system. But look how many of these. There's 15 little cubby holes for earrings. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all, but you know, maybe, right? And then it has a little bit of a larger for, like, you know, whatever, if you want your bracelets in there or your necklace. And then there's 2 larger ones up here. They're all interchangeable, so I'm thinking about maybe putting these up there. Who knows? I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to figure it out. And you can get it in gray lining or cream. I'm hoping this is going to work. Again, I'll leave the link for this jewelry box. So let's go ahead and store these in there now. This is how I decided to store my earrings for now. Look at that. So much organized, nicer. And I can see now what I have. Isn't that cool? And there's Sunday Dawn's 3 earrings. The black, the buffalo check, the teal. Is that pretty? And then down here, I just placed some odds and ends. These are my diamond hoops, and it wouldn't really fit anywhere else, so I figured why not just put it there. And then I put my newest opal. And then these here were hand carved and made from real abalone from my friend Devin. So I just placed those for right now because that was something new. And then this is gifted to me from my dad. He finished it up because it was actually made. That's my grandfather's stamp. So that's really special for me. He was a silversmith, now my dad is. And just some odds and ends and stuff in there. I think that worked out really well. And then this, I don't really know what I'm going to do, how I'm going to keep this. If I even want to keep this, I don't really know. This is going to be in progress, but at least I can see everything, you know. And then I found this. I finally got this untangled as well as this. I think I'm going to go ahead and part ways with this one. I never wear it. It's, I don't know, probably like 10, 15 years old. And I still have to go through this one, but that's going to take me at least an hour to go through that. And these are the earrings I know that are stuck in there. So yeah, I'll have to work on that. I just don't have enough time to do that on this video. And then these right here, these are some earrings that are broken. I want to see if I can fix those And these, I think I'm gonna part ways with those because I never wear those. Those get stuck in my hair. All of this stuff gets stuck in my hair. And then these, I don't know what had happened to the other side. I'm hoping it'll show up. So I'm gonna put this in my drawer just to save it, just in case. So anyways, I think that's it, you guys. Yeah. So that looks so much better. I'm really, really happy with the way this turned out. Don't forget to check out the playlist, you guys. And I will see you on the next one.